Hello, this is Classic Cars of Palm Beach, located in Jupiter, Florida. And this is going to be a walk-around condition video of this 2018 Durango SRT 392 with 60,000 miles. We make these videos for all of our out-of-state buyers or online buyers that can't come into our shop and physically look at these vehicles before they purchase them. So again, I'm going to point out any imperfection I see. That way there's no surprises on either end. Passenger side headlight, grill, looks good. This is the driver's side headlight. The headlight looks good, nice and clear, no condensation on it. It did just rain, so there is a little bit of water on this car, you know, residue stuff all over. SRT, original wheels. Looking on the side of this car, I don't see big dings or scratches. This right here, oh, that's dirt. All right, so no scratches there, that's good. No curb rash on these two wheels. I'm just looking over the car, and you know, stuff like this I'd like to point out. That should be able to be polished out. Tail lights look nice. They're not faded, cracked, or any condensation inside of it. Rear bumper looks great. Back here it looks great too. Doesn't look all scraped up, you know, from having luggage in and out of the vehicle. So far, 3 rims look good. No curb rash. Really clean car for a 2018. Yeah, so all 4 wheels, no curb rash on them. Car looks very good for a 2018 car. Looks very nice. Doesn't look like it was abused. Let's go ahead and open this tailgate out. This car hasn't been detailed, as you can see. There's pet hair in here. Doesn't smell like pet though back here. Doesn't smell like a smoker's car either. Let's take a look at the interior. Beats audio sound system. Car looks nice and clean. Floor is not stained. Seats look very good. These bolsterings usually wear out because they're so big of a bolstering on these seats. Really comfortable. Dash looks good. It's not, you know, faded or bubbling or cracked or anything like that. Yeah, that's a quick little walk around video of this 2018 Dodge Durango SRT. If you have any other questions, I'd like to see any other videos, please call us 561-529-3101. Thank you.